Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube PiP if it's not working on your iPhone. Now let's head into the settings app on your iPhone. We need to check a couple of things in your settings first. The very first thing that we're going to do is tap on General. And then at the very bottom, let's tap on VPN and device management. If you're connected to a VPN, this could mess it up. So make sure to turn a VPN off if you are connected. Now, next we're going to go back here. And then we'll scroll up and we need to make sure we've turned this on in the settings of your iPhone. You both need to turn it on in the settings of your iPhone and the YouTube app. So let's go to picture-in-picture here. And there's Start PiP automatically. Let's toggle that on if it is not already on. However, as I said, we need to also get into YouTube and turn it on within the YouTube app. So within here, let's get to your settings. And to do that, you can see at the very bottom right is that U button. Just tap on U. And then at the top right, just tap on that gear icon. Now that we are in your settings, all you need to do to turn on PiP or picture-in-picture is scroll down and you'll be able to see under video and audio preferences this playback option. Tap on playback here and there is picture-in-picture. Make sure to turn this on. Now after you've done that, you should be able to hop out of here and start playing a video and be able to hop out and have the picture-in-picture. If it still doesn't work for you though, it could be because you're outside of the US or you don't have premium. It says outside of the US, premium is required for all picture-in-picture or PiP, even if it's music content. And within the United States, you'll be able to access all content picture-in-picture, but some music content, you'll have to have premium. So unfortunately, if you do fall into this category, you'll have to buy YouTube Premium.